Hi everyone, this is a video about this Saramonic SmartMic that is, I heard a lot of good things about this, and I've noticed that the quality of my videos sound a little bit was quieter since I changed my camera, and I thought I invest on a sort of microphone to see if I can improve it. Anyhow, this was on clearance, and normally it goes above £35, and I have purchased it just for £15. And now it says that is for iPad, iPhone and iPods, but it also works on Android as well. So let's try it and see how it goes, and you tell me if I could improve the sound quality at all. Anyhow, I get everything out of the box and we talk more. So when you get everything out of the box, you're faced with this, a silica gel and a warranty and the item itself, and on the box it says that it has 3.5 millimeters jack, and type of the microphone is electret condenser, and the frequency is 35 Hertz to 18 kilohertz, and the signal is 74 decibel SPL, and the weight is 21 grams. And here the only important part is increase the sensitivity compared with the built-in mic. Shotgun design reduces unwanted sound from the back and sides, and ideal for videos. And my fan is on in order to try it, and as I mentioned, because of the tatty box, it was on clearance and hence the cheap price. When we go to the item, there's nothing in this apart from the item and the muffler here. And this item is, you can rotate it for 180 degrees, and somehow the mic is suspended in this, and in order to avoid any bangs and unwanted touches to just be heard on the video. I'm gonna to first try this without the muffler, and then let you to listen to it, and then please leave a comment down below if I have made any improvement at all. So let's do this. Now the mic is connected, and I directed it as far as it goes to my face, and the fan is on, and I don't know if you can hear it or not. Anyhow, you are going to tell me after watching this video. And now after this test, I'm going to attach the muffler to it to see how it goes and how it's going to avoid the sounds and noise of the fans or wind around you. Now I'm trying it with the muffler or anti-wind sponge, whatever that you call it, and the quality, I'm gonna see how it goes, and please let me know which one is your favorite, with the muffler or without the muffler. For a short while I'm gonna go quiet to see if it's going to drown out the fans noise as well. Okay, let's end this video. This was a short video about Saramonic SmartMic. I hope you like this video, and if you like this sound quality, let me know. On my next video, maybe I recommend this mic. Anyhow, until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.